Hello, myself Abhidikshit. I am pursuing my studies from Babaria Institute of Technology. Today, I am going to design a seismic resistance tall building. We will design the seismic resistant tall building by two methods. Number 1, response spectrum method. Number 2, time history method. So first of all, we have to define the seismic load. So for that, go to define option, then load patterns, and enter here seismic. Select the type seismic load and IS 1893 2002, and then click to add new load. Then fill the data as per requirement from IS code. Then click on OK. Once again click on OK. We do not need to assign the seismic load on the building because the software will automatically assign the load. So click on run analysis. You can see here bottom left the progress of the analysis. So our analysis of the building is over. Now we can see the displacement of the joints. Now go to design, concrete frame design, and then start design check. So now our design check is ready. Now once again go to design, concrete frame design, and all members passed. All concrete frames passed the design check. Okay. Now unlock the model. Click on OK. Now go to define. Then functions, and then response spectrum. Choose here file as 18 IS 1893 2002, and then click on add new function. Fill the data as per requirement and then click on OK. Once again click on OK. Then go to define, fill the data, click here as U1 and response spectrum, and calculate the scale factor and enter here, and once again go to add, and this is for X and this is for Y. Then fill this all data and then click on OK. Once again click on OK. Now go to analyze option, set load case to run. As we are running the seismic load only, we do not have to run the dead load and live load. So click on dead load and run do not run option. and then click on OK. Run now. You can see the progress at the left bottom. So our analysis is completed. You can see wherever I am moving the cursor, the displacement of that joint is shown. Now go to design, concrete frame design, and then go to start design check. So our design check is now completed. You can see here details of the member is available now. Now go to design, concrete frame design, and then all members passed. Concrete frame design, and then verify all members passed. All concrete frames passed the design check. Okay. Now we will do with the time history method. So unlock first of all the model. Okay. Then go to define, functions, and then time history. Click here from file and then add new function. Enter the data requirements as per requirements and browse the file and then click on OK. Then once more click on OK. Then go to define option, load cases, then click on response spectrum and delete case. We don't have to analyze on this, so delete case and then add new case. Fill the data. Here select as acceleration, here time history function, and calculate the scale factor and enter here. Then click on OK. Once more click on OK. Now go to analyze, set load cases to run. There is all OK. So run now. You can see the progress at the bottom left. So you can see our analysis of the building is over. And then now click on design option, concrete frame design, and start design check. So our design check is over. So once again go to design, concrete frame design, and verify all members passed. All concrete frames passed the design check. Click on OK. To view the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram, go to display, force stress diagram, then click on here, click on shear 2 and click on apply to view the shear force diagram, and click on moment 3 and click on apply to view the bending moment diagram. To view the report, click on reports and project report. Our project report is ready. To view the summary of the report, click on here. So it is ready to view. Thank you.